And we have a team that is putting evidence together to take William Ruto to the ICC at The Hague.
Interior Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen has come out guns blazing, declaring that he is not afraid of International Criminal Court. Speaking in a tense atmosphere, Murkomen dismissed threat of ICC investigation, saying he is ready to face any court but will not be blackmailed into silence. He accused certain political functions of using ICC as a political weapon to destabilize the government, urging them to respect Kenya's judicial process. Murkomen's fearless remarks have sparked sharp reaction nationwide, with supporters hailing his courage while critics warn that ICC is watching closely.
Somebody going to court to sue us for defending people of Kenya and their property and the state from anarchists, terrorists, and those people who have want to subvert our constitutional order. I want to say that I am very confident and clear in my mind that myself and the IG and the team have worked diligently within the Constitution, within the confines of the Constitution, to defend this nation. And given another chance like that, we will do the same. We are not experimenting on anything. We don't have the time to do experimental ideas on who will be taken to court by who. We know the law. As a lawyer, I am very clear in my mind. I understand the role of the International Criminal Court as a student, and thereafter many times I know what the law says, I know what ICC statute says, I know what the penal code says, I know what the various legislation in Kenya say. They only find it interesting to mention my name and for those security officers that we work with them. And I want to tell them that we know the law, we are not experimenting. Some people want to scare us with ICC. Please scare somebody else, not the people who know the law.
The killings that are taking place in Kenya are all crimes under the Rome Statutes and are admissible before the International Criminal Court. I want to confirm that we have put up a team that is documenting all the atrocities, all the killings, all the displacements, all the disappearances, all the abductions. And we have a team that is putting evidence together to take William Ruto to the ICC at The Hague. And you know the case against him for the 2007 post-election violence was not concluded. It was put on hold when witnesses disappeared. So his file is still open. In addition, we have formed a committee under Justin Muturi, the former Attorney General, the Committee on Restorative Justice, that again is looking at issues that when we form government, we will look into the compensation of Gen Zs who have been abducted and killed and other families that have faced atrocities under this administration. So, musijali, and we are working on it. Again, we have a team of lawyers that are giving pro bono services to the Gen Zs. Senior Counsel Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa, the women rep for Kirinyaga and Jerry Minor, Ndegwa Jiro, and other lawyers have put a big team together that is giving legal services to our young people. Like the young ones who were taken before the terrorism court, they almost said yes because they don't know what is happening. But our lawyers were just there on time. Had they pleaded guilty to the charges, they have been jailed for 40 years because they don't know. So we'll also be appealing to the diaspora chapter also to chip in terms of cash bills. There were some 4 young men in Nyahururu, in Olkalau, who were given a cash bill of 10 million each because they were charged with terrorism. So this is a task we have to work together. But I can tell you there are men and women, our lawyers who are not sleeping. fighting for these young people in courts. Again, as I've told you, we are collecting evidence under the Rome Statute to be able to take these people to the International Criminal Court. I had the president asking me to go and report whoever is involved to the police. How do I report him to the police and he's a what? And he's using the police to defend the people who are destroying property. So we cannot report him to the police. I've told him we'll report him to the ICC. So that is going on. And on the issue of the Subarus, is a killer gang of 101 officers under the National Intelligence Service. They have been trained in abductions, killings, and cover-up. That is a group William Ruto is using with the Director of National Intelligence, that is Nudin Hague, to kill our young people. Again, all that is being documented, and in the fullness of time, they'll have to face justice. Next question.